Hi guys, this video is for the Miss 1 and 2 million time recording, nothing new. Alrighty, so for this first myth, I would say that I agree with it, that language shouldn't really change that much, but I also kind of disagree with it. I'm like set right in the middle. I think that it is important for words to evolve and language to evolve, and with that being said, obviously there becomes new words and new meanings for new words, so I think that's good. I do though think like proper words should probably all stay the same, so when somebody is writing a report of some sort, that it is very well-rounded and that you are able to see, or someone can understand it from the start to the finish without having to like Google words and like stuff like that. Alrighty, and then for the second myth, I would say that I disagree. I hope I'm doing this okay. I do not think that some languages just aren't good enough. That is not true. They just don't have the resources to expand the way that we have expanded. Sometimes languages get stuck, like for instance, third world countries, they're stuck in a certain way of living because they don't have the resources to progress themselves. They don't have the ability to communicate with individuals who are, I guess would say, like smarter than them, more intellectual than them. So they aren't able to broaden those horizons, and they're kind of just stuck in a way that I wish we could all be able to help them. Alrighty, so look forward to your replies.